What we're making today?
Spam fries.
Spam fries. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to SHAWthing.
What up?
We had a conversation earlier about spam.
Spam?
I can't remember what you said.
I've never had spam in my life. It has never been in my pantry, never been in my kitchen, never been in my pan.
Yeah, but did you know what spam was?
I mean, I knew it was like a canned meat.
But is spam an everyday household item in America?
No, I don't think so.
Well, at least from what I remember, spam is an everyday household. Well, I feel like everybody has got a spam somewhere in the house in the UK, whether it's like years out of date.
I thought it doesn't expire.
I'm not sure, well that's what I'll have to check. But anyway, we was talking about spam and we was like, let's do a video about spam.
Spam it!
What would you think if somebody said, oh, you want some spam?
Be like, okay, I haven't tried it.
Like to me, if somebody said spam, I'd think like a cheap man's dinner kind of thing.
I mean, so is ramen noodles, but...
Well, yeah, and we love some ramen noodles.
I love ramen.
Chicken ramen, beef ramen. Anyway,
Anyways.
So we thought, how do you make spam fancy?
Ooh, make it fancy.
If you go on spam.com, this is not a sponsored video by the way, but if you go on spam.com,
But if spam wants to sponsor.
if you go on spam.com, there's a bunch of recipes and a bunch of facts of how it is, but we'll get more into that later and I'll tell you a bit more about spam. But first we actually need to go find a can of spam, so we need to go to the store.
Churros!
We're not one of those households with spam in the cupboard.
Churros! We're going to that.
You know, chivalry is not dead when your wife opens your door for you. Thanks,
Yeah,
my
too
love.
bad you don't do it for me.
Ah, lies. Random fact number 1 about spam.
Random fact number 1, get back, put it underneath the 10.
Random fact number 1 about spam. It was invented in 1937.
Ooh.
We could also just do ramen instead.
I'm okay with that.
We do like ramen. So after it was invented in 1937, it actually then went on to become a frequent meal for troops and soldiers in World War II.
Cool. Fact number 3. By 1959, they had produced 1 billion cans of spam. I was gonna say 1 billion spams. And
of
there
spam,
she is.
It's right here.
We got our turkey. We got our light. We got the less sodium. We got the OG. We got the black pepper. Oh, black pepper's probably good. We got the bacon. Oh wait, I thought it was bacon.
No, well here's the thing.
Oh, they got singles. If you want to take it in a lunch. Pause. They put tamales in a can, y'all. This is how we know things have gone wrong in America. They put tamales in a can. Sorry to interrupt your brief programming.
So spam is known to be very salty. So by 1986 they actually introduced a lower sodium version, which I think is the one that we're gonna get. Because if it's very salty then it's gonna be too much.
Yeah, we don't like really salty.
So let's get the 25%.
But then are we cheating if we've never had it and like we don't have the OG?
No, Sarah's sister's on the phone. She got a random call. Sarah's sister's in town this week, so she went to see her, which is really nice. Hi Ash, if you're watching by the way. Say hi to Ash.
Hi Ashley.
You're on the phone as well.
I'm on the phone with you, so I'm looking at the vlog camera going, hi Ashley.
So actually fast forward to today, and spam I guess has become such a household name that they've created so many different varieties of it now. I think they've actually got over 15 different varieties of spam. This isn't even actually all the versions of it. I had a look online, babe, and they've actually got hot and spicy spam, teriyaki spam, jalapeno ham,
Jalapeno ham.
Jalapeno spam. So let's get the 25% less sodium one, I think, right?
Let's get that one. Got the spam.
Got the spam. And actually, final fun fact, they've sold over 8 billion cans of spam today. Up to today.
Wow.
You don't say ham, you say spam.
Oh, you leave for 5 minutes.
Oh my goodness.
And the boys go crazy.
I missed you.
So we may have bought a few other things when we went to the store. I wanted pancakes, because I like pancakes. Which are this new thing, Twix cookies and cream. So I can't remember if we said at the start, but what we're making today?
Spam fries.
Spam fries. So you're gonna need your vegetable oil for your shallow pan frying. You're gonna need your panko breadcrumbs. This is not a necessity, that's just if you want that extra crunch. You can do it breaded, you can do it without also. This is the main one. You're gonna need plain breadcrumbs if you want it breaded. If you're gonna do that, you're also gonna need flour, eggs, and of course, spam. Okay, so what they said to do is get a knife. Apparently it sticks to the knife, but you want to cut it lengthways, about that much, I think. Like that.
You're cooking!
Probably could get one more out of that. And then you want to get these pieces that you've cut, and you want to cut these into, I think they said...
Into fries.
Fries.
Hobby.
You could probably get 5 out of each slice there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat that with every other piece. Then what you want to do is get your vegetable oil or frying oil, whichever you prefer to use. Do about 1/4 inch in the pan. Heat that up to about 350 degrees, I believe, or until it's kind of boiling. I'm not a chef. I don't know, we'll see. Then you're going to want to whisk up 2 eggs. So then what you have is flour, eggs, and your plain breadcrumbs. Then you're going to want to dip each spam fry into each one. 1 into the flour, 1 into the egg, 1 into the breadcrumbs. And you're going to end up with something a little like this. And then you can spread them out on a plate if you want and add the panko breadcrumbs, which is what we're going to do, and add a little bit of extra crunch to it. Like so. Now you see the oil is steaming, so it's pretty much ready to go in. Okay, this is the tricky part. Be careful, guys. The oil is very hot, so avoid any splashback. If you've got a splash guard, then use one of these. Let's see if it works.
Ooh.
I'm going to put the fan on in a second, so it's going to get loud, but remember, spam is already cooked, so you don't have to worry about the internal temperature of whether it's been undercooked or not. So spam is already cooked.
We want it crispy.
We want it crispy. I'm not sure how long you're supposed to do it on each side. This is just a short thing. We're just going to test it out. I would say like a minute.
Okay, you're going to 12 minutes? A minute.
Minute.
Oh, they're already brown.
They're already burning.
Oh, you ruined it.
I ruined it.
I think they're done.
I think they're done. That's all you needed, guys. Pretty much 1 minute altogether. Turn the heat off and then...
You don't even have anything. They're just burning away. Bye.
Grab a plate.
Goodbye, fries.
With some kitchen roll.
Those are burned.
Why are you lying?
We can try it again. Let me try. Mmm, delicious.
What are you talking about?
Crispy. I'm gonna try it.
Okay, Sarah's gonna give it a go on the next batch. This was my first attempt. They...
Horrible.
No, they're not. They just...
Golden.
It's just... They're crisp. You said you wanted them crisp, didn't you?
We're doing it my way. You're gonna do the yolk, flour, bathe in the flour, lather them up, then you go from here, get it extra, then you go straight to the crumb bath. Yes, sir, crumb bath it is. I feel like I'm doing this right. I think I've made fried chicken enough to know.
You never made me fried chicken. I lowered the heat on the oil this time.
Oh, okay, just so you can say, oh, that's why it came out like that.
I think I'm gonna have a better effect on this one. This will be a joint effort, my love.
Okay.
I put it on gas mark 4.
Just call it gas mark 4.
Yeah, that's what we call it in England, gas mark 4.
You're my sous chef right now, I hope you know.
Oh, Chef Sarah Shaw.
Yep.
Well, we both got the last name, so it still counts. Chef Shaw. It's like when I was tongue twisted. Chef Shaw and sous chef Shaw.
My fingers.
Oh, take my strong hand.
Take my strong hand.
If you know Scary Movie, that's from Scary Movie. Is it Scary Movie, right?
Yeah.
I better use my strong hand.
She's gonna do it all at once, because she's such a pro chef. If you do this right...
Let them take a little bath, a little jacuzzi there.
See, look, I've lowered the
Forget about
heat.
your
They're going
body.
golden
Oh, no.
brown now.
No, sir.
This is a joint operation. Look at that.
Mine are clearly better. golden sunburn. And it's got all the crisps on there. Gotta do a nice spam fry, huh? Give me a little cheeky spam fry.
Who are you?
Shaw. Let me cook. One set. Maybe sing a little song. Nope, they're ready. Look at that. Boom, bang, bam. Thank you, ma'am.
And there you have it. That is the finished product. Spam fries. All thanks. The wife does it best. Spam fries is where it's at. The moment of truth has arrived. So you got ketchup, garlic aioli, chipotle aioli, and Nando's Perinaise. For you Brits, if you're watching, you know what Nando's is. Cheeky Nando's.
A little bit of cheeky Nando's.
Cheers. That's interesting.
It just tastes like ham?
It's basically ham in a can.
Yeah.
Let me try the garlic aioli.
But it's not ham. I don't know how to explain it.
It's nice with the garlic aioli. They're actually really good.
It's a little snap.
Yeah. Like the meat is not... I'm glad we got the 25% less sodium.
Yeah, because it's really salty, even with the 25%.
Yeah, we didn't add no salt to the breadcrumbs or anything like that. You can tell, you can taste the salt in it, but it's not overpowering. So I think if we got the original Spam, it would have been...
Also guys, I made these just perfect, and just perfectly crispy.
You did. Whoever's watching, let your
Daddy.
let your wife do it. I'm sure let's try one of my burnt ones.
You could try it.
I'm gonna try one of my burnt ones.
It's almost like a sushi texture. The color difference.
No, they're still good. It's just a little tougher.
Try the chipotle one, it's really good.
I like mine. The burntness gives it a bit more flavour.
You can eat yours.
Guys, seriously, if you haven't tried Spam before, which you haven't, what do you think?
It's not bad. It's definitely like, I don't know if I could eat it every day.
No.
But it's a nice like little snack. I mean, it tastes like breakfast to me, honestly. Like just like a bacon.
It does taste, yes, it does taste a little like breakfast. Yeah, I wonder if you had like, yeah, Spam fries or like some fried Spam for breakfast. I think
that's what Takea said. Takea said she used to do Spam.
The ramen's done. We'd made ramen as well.
It has like that breakfasty taste. But it's not bad. But I'd be interested to see like what else we could make with it.
Yeah, we did ask some of us friends and they
Maybe this could be like an ongoing series of like just pop-in videos of what we made with Spam today.
Spam today, something tomorrow. We've tried to make it into a fancy delicacy, which there are some videos out there if you go on YouTube. There is some people have tried to make it into like fancy Spam, and it does look really good.
Maybe we'll try the mac and cheese next.
Yeah, there was a Spam mac and cheese, yeah. But for his first time, this looks really cool because we just wanted to like a little snack tonight to like chill out with. And Spam fries is like the perfect little snack too.
Like chicken fingers.
Like chicken fingers, but with Spam. Ham fingers. Anyways.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's Spam video.
If you like the Spam video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see us do more random stuff like this. Not just Spam videos. I mean, we could. If you want us to do more Spam videos and try more Spam recipes, we can. But if you want to see us cook some more random stuff, we can. Just let us know in the comments. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you've tried Spam before and this was your first time. I feel like I've had it before, but I can't remember, so I must have been really young. But if you tried Spam, let us know in the comments. Let us know if you've got a can of Spam in your house right now. Cheeky. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You know it's always a sure thing when you come and watch our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Okay, Mr. Microwave, the ramen's done.
Bye, Shawty.
Bye. Ayo.
We interrupt today's program because I want to give a huge shout out and a big thank you to my cousin and my Aunt Mary out in Houston. My cousin Lisa and my Aunt Mary, they sent us a awesome gift chocolate. My cousin makes the best chocolate, y'all. Like the best chocolate, and she makes it every holiday season. I wasn't in Houston for this holiday season, so she was the best and sent us a big box of them.
She sent it
and we've literally Like Lisa, if you're watching this, like we've literally gone through it. It was delicious.
It's not chocolate
Thank
though,
you.
is it? It's kind of.
toffee. It's toffee.
Love it, guys.
Thank you so much, Aunt Mary and Lisa, for sending this to us. It was amazing. We've literally gone through it and had some every single day. Love you guys so much. Can't wait to see y'all soon.
See you soon.
Beep!
No.